This basic video tutorial I will show you 3 different ways on how to create a perfect circle. Alright, here we go. First, create a new file of 1920 by 1080. Click create. From the toolbar, select the ellipse tool. Alright, if you simply click and drag, you get ellipses like these. Alright, I'm gonna delete all of these. Select the ellipse tool. If I press the shift key on my keyboard and then click and drag, I can create a perfect circle. I'm going to delete this. Second way to create a perfect circle is pressing shift and alt key on Windows or the option key on Mac and click and drag. What it does is that it creates a circle from the center. Alright, I'm gonna delete this one too. The third step to create a perfect circle is, while the ellipse tool being selected, just click anywhere on your canvas and the property dialog box will appear in front of you. Just enter the equal amount for width and height. Like for example, if I enter 200 for the width and 200 for the height, and if I click OK, it's gonna give me a perfect circle of equal dimensions. So in this video you have learned 3 different ways on how you can create a perfect circle. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.